Robert Blecha from the Arapahoe location, and today we're going to go about the right-hand side lube maintenance points on a 70 series combine. Up here we have a greaser for the main rotor bearing to grease that. Also we have a greaser up here for the primary countershaft bearing that would be located up at the top. We also have a greaser here on the feed accelerator bearing, located down here at the bottom on the inside of this pulley. On the final drive, we have a greaser here to grease for the main carrier bearing that carries the hub on the final drive. We have the check plug for the lube inside the final drive, and here's our fill plug. We fill it with 80-90 gear lube until it reaches the bottom of this opening, and that would be filled to spec. On the fan, we have a greaser down here to grease the fan shaft. We also have a greaser two greasers on the upper fan drive, one for the bearing and one for the shivs themselves, located on the inside of this arm. We also have a greaser down here on the inside of the driven fan drive. Up here we have a slip clutch for the tailings drive. There's a greaser down here on the inside of the pulley to grease that slip clutch. Also on the shaker arms, we want to make sure that the rubbers aren't cracked out, which could cause some catastrophic failures with the cleaning system. We just want to make sure that everything looks normal and nothing's cracked. If we do, we need to make sure we get those replaced and adjust the cleaning system properly. We have a greaser right in here on the back side for the discharge bearing to grease that as well. Also back here on the bottom of the chopper bearing, there is also a greaser. On the wheel, we've got a greaser in here to grease the bearings for the hub. We also have a greaser top and bottom here for the spindle itself to keep it greased, and also a greaser on the bottom of the tie rod end on the front side.